4312 Kenmore. As I said, all the outside is painted. Here's the extra lot. All this is finished. You know, it's been done, but I'll shoot it again. It's in the back. There's the central air unit. Let's go inside. This is Wednesday, the 8th, and you can see here they stopped. They got, remember last week he was doing all that. That's all done. Got all this put on. It's all finished out, looking really good. Now they can paint it, get that done. There's a shower pan there, so we're doing that, and all this is getting done here. All right. This is a new bathroom, by the way. So that's going to be the new bathroom. So I have two first floor bathrooms, which is nice. And then we redid this. This will be the dining room area here. That's going to get new. You can see they sheetrocked all that. A lot of sheetrock in here. We had to reconfigure a lot of stuff because it just wasn't right. Now it is. So this will be all your kitchen, all this. And all this will be kitchen here, which is really nice. And it's kind of cool, these stairs, the way they used to do them back in the day. So here's, you get a little sheetrock done on this. Looks really good. Here's your closet for this bedroom. We get the luxury vinyl down here. Here's the second bedroom. He's got all this. Get that framed in. That's your closet for up here, but you can see you got all the sheetrock done, all the electrical pulled. A lot of work on, you know, when you're reconfiguring, you want to make sure everything's correct and right. So let's go look at Here's the bathroom here. They did put the new toilet in. You can see you got the epoxy on. It's all a different color now. We'll put some new flooring in here, but really looks good. These are brand new. That'll last 10 years. So it's an epoxy, kind of a car paint type thing. It's not what you get at Home Depot. It's a 3-part process. It was about $600, and again, all these are here. And then this is all the bathroom stuff, blinds. I mean, this is kind of the area they keep everything. I'll show you the basement real quick. I've been down there for a little bit. I don't know if they got anything done down here, but we'll see. There's another bathroom down here. We're just going to keep it. And make sure this thing's all done. Let me get this here. So there's your heater. So they pretty much got all this painted and dry. We got some water coming in here. We'll have to figure out. It's probably the toilet. We're going to replace that anyway. And then there is a shower over here. We're putting in a new panel too. So your shower is going to be there. But this is a third bath. We're putting a vanity there. But this is the third bathroom in here. So it really looks good down here. So this is your. And this is used to actually snake the wire through the walls. That's what they were doing with that piece of equipment. So again, this is your update video. They're getting closer and closer and closer. There's all that back there. There's your side. So if you have any questions, give me a call. 216-703-5740. This is Brett with Key Realty. Check out the websites below. Thanks.